Welcome दोस्तों. As this is the first video, let me explain you the format. In every video, we will be learning 10 words in dictionary format. Also, in the end, I will be sharing a magical sentence with you. So now, let's get started. I will going to describe you the word with its meaning and provide you the relation between them that will help you in memorizing the word very quickly. Also, you will get an image which will be an instant reminder for you to learn the entire vocabulary on tips. After that, we will make an example sentence which will help you to get the clear idea about the usage of the word. So our first word is abase. Its meaning is to act yourself in a way that shows somebody's power over you. Synonyms are degrade, belittle, and the relation between them is अब बस कर भाई और कितना अबेस करेगा. Here's the image in which you can see two children are mocking one girl. The sentence is don't abase your cousin by making fun of her accent. Our second word is abash. Its meaning is to destroy the self-confidence. Synonyms are embarrassed, ashamed, and the relation between them is अभी ऐश की शादी में सलमान खान अबैश हो गया. Here's the image in which you can see Salman Khan is upset to see Abhishek and Aishwarya together. The sentence is the girl was abashed and bowed very low to hide her confusion. Our third word is abate. Its meaning is to become less strong. Synonyms are fade away, terminate, and the relation between them is अभी एट नहीं किया तो हेल्थ अबेट हो जाएगा. Here's an image in which you can see a person is refusing to eat the food. The sentence is I hope this medicine will abate the pain in my leg. Our fourth word is abdicate. Its meaning is to step down. Synonyms are renounce, resign, and the relation between them is अब दिक्कत है काम करने में तो किंग ने abdicate किया. Here's an image in which you can see Akshay Kumar as a king from the movie Sing His King. The sentence is King decided to abdicate in favor of his eldest son. Our fifth word is aberrant. Its meaning is different from what is typical or usual. Synonyms are abnormal, anomalous, and the relation between them is अब की बार रोशन aberrant हो गया. Here's the image in which you can see Hrithik Roshan behaving differently in the movie कोई मिल गया. The sentence is Hrithik's aberrant behavior is going to get him in a lot of trouble. Our sixth word is abet. Its meaning is to encourage someone to do something wrong. Synonyms are aid, incite, and the relation between them is cricket में बैटिंग करने को abet करते हैं. Here's the image in which you can see Imran Hashmi getting motivated to batting in movie Jannat. The sentence is his accountant has aided and abetted him in the fraud. Our seventh word is Abeyance. Its meaning is being stopped for a period of time. Synonyms are suspense, reserve, and the relation between them is अपनी भैंस को abeyance में रख दिया. Here's the image in which you can see a buffalo is tied and stopped from work. The sentence is legal proceedings are in abeyance while further inquiries are made. Our eighth word is Abhor. Its meaning is to hate a way of thinking. Synonyms are detest, dislike, and the relation between them is bore class को abhor करते हैं. Here's the image in which you can see students disliking educational system. The sentence is I abhor all forms of racism. Our ninth word is abject. Its meaning is extremely unhappy, poor, frightened. Synonyms are dismal, horrible, and the relation between them is आपके पास कोई ऑब्जेक्ट नहीं है तो ये abject poverty है. Here's the image in which you can see a man with empty pockets. The sentence is the terror created abject situation. Our 10th word is abjure. Its meaning is to state publicly that you no longer agree with a belief. Synonyms are abstain, refrain, and the relation between them is अब ज्वेलरी प्योर है मैं एब्ज्योर करता हूँ. Here's the image in which you can see a girl wearing jewelry. The sentence is, as a part of my religious faith, I abjure meat and only eat vegetables and fruits. And in the end, sometimes being another character is more interesting than being yourself. So guys, share this video with those people who needs to learn new words or preparing for competitive exams.